Hey Dad, it's me. I left a little package for you. Something I thought you might like. It's never too late to start up again. Mom would have wanted that. Your pills are all set up for you. Please don't forget to take them, okay? I'll call you later. Love you, bye.
She was 15, spinning in a daydream, waiting, counting and wishing for that ship to sail them away. Can't you see it's coming, shining in the distance, beaming, leaving all reason behind. Let's be here and stay. Let's stay here forever, be here together. We could nurture each other, find us another world to be. All the beauty we'll see. Won't you sing me a song and take me among the flowers? We'll grow, we'll conquer the world. These feelings will remain with me. Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together. We could nurture each other, find